Downbelow Travel Center.
What's your favourite program, Melissa?
Other than diving, it's the Wildlife Adventures. My favorite spot is the Tabin Wildlife Reserve in Borneo. It is the largest wildlife reserve.
Tabin Wildlife Reserve.
Let's check out more.
So, back in the travel centre with Melissa. Tell us a bit more about Tabin. Why is it interesting to go to Tabin?
Okay, so there's a lot of interesting trekking. You'll trek to the Mud Volcano. One of the interesting things you can do whilst you're there is to spot animal footprints. So the Mud Volcano, it's located right in the middle of the jungle. There's a clearing and you'll see mud coming out from the ground.
Can you spend the night there or anything?
Yes, you can. There's a tower where you can spend overnight. We'll arrange everything for you when you're there.
What kind of creatures come to the Mud Volcano through the night?
Elephant.
Anything else?
Wild boars. Okay, they will take a dip in the Mud Volcano to cool themselves down and also to wash up.
Any waterfalls there?
Yes, there's a trek to the Lipad Waterfall where you can take a dip, take pictures. The trek is very interesting. You'll go through a few slopes, but once you get there, the water is cool, clean.
Tell us about some of the wildlife we can see at Tabin. Are there any primates, Melissa?
Yes, monkeys, long-tailed macaques, the red-leaf monkeys, and
Wow.
the occasional orangutans, if you're lucky. The gibbons.
Gibbons?
Yes.
Wild gibbon?
Wild gibbons. It's an experience when you wake up to the calls of the gibbons in the morning.
Wow.
Perfect.
I heard that there's actually a group of gibbons that their territory is around the accommodation area.
That is true.
A great place to spot them.
Exactly.
Tell me, what is Tabin really world famous for?
So they're famous for the tropical bird life. If you're a bird enthusiast, we always recommend that you get a personalized birding guide. The guides at Tabin are awesome. It's interesting when you see them during the trek, when they call the birds in with the recorded bird calls, and to see them differentiate the calls of the bird. Tabin is also famous for the hornbills. There's 8 species of the hornbill. There are too many species of bird. Can't name them all. You just have to come and see them for yourselves.
Can you tell us a bit more about the accommodation package? Is it all inclusive there? Do we have to book in different ways?
It's a complete package. It's full board meals. There's 2 different kinds of accommodation, River Lodge and the Hill Lodge. If you're planning to stay at the River Lodge, it's an experience to wake up to the sounds of the water just going through the river. And if you're staying at the Hill Lodge, the view is spectacular.
Oh, wonderful. Do we have to worry about any transfer arrangements?
You don't have to worry about that. We arrange it all. It's all inclusive in the package. So you'll have the transportation from either Datu Airport, or if you're staying there, and we can drop you off at the end of the trip. The only thing you need to do is book the package with us.
Okay, Melissa, so this wonderful package, how do I book that?
There's 4 ways where you can book the package with us. The easiest one is to book online at our website. Second, just give us a call. Third, just drop us an email. And the last one, just visit us at our travel center at KK Times Square. So visit our website at downbelowadventures.com, select travel center, scroll all the way down to the 3 days 2 nights Tabin Wildlife Safari. Just so you know, we have 4 awesome packages where you can book them. Okay, so scroll down, fill in the fields right here, and most importantly, press book now.